Is your business still running an older version of Microsoft Access, such as Access 95, 2002, or 2003? Maybe your Access database won't run on Windows 11. At Winning Solutions Inc., we specialize in upgrading legacy Access databases to modern versions, ensuring smooth, secure, and efficient operation. We've successfully upgraded hundreds of Access systems, from single-user databases to enterprise applications. Upgrading enhances compatibility with Windows and Office, restores performance, and unlocks new Access features. Be forewarned, it also removes certain features. WSI can help with workarounds and alternatives. It also improves security, reduces errors, and future-proofs your system with Microsoft 365 support. Not sure which version of Access you're running? Just go to File, Account and Access, or WSI can identify it. Plan your upgrade path and complete the transition with minimal downtime. Our process includes U-testing, VBA code updates, and compatibility verification. So everything just works, saving you the expense of paying WSI to test. Don't let outdated software hold you back. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com.